This is the print that was done yesterday. It's the longer coin. There's a few things that could be improved. You can see there's a little bit of, I guess there's a print mark on the edge where the E is, and around the outer edges of it there's those color discoloration areas. Of course, if you're going to paint it, it doesn't matter. If you look right there, you can see the chip on the opposite end that would have to be filled in if you wanted it perfect. And then also on the edge where the supports were, you can see the little raised up nub portions that would need to be sanded down. But other than that, it's really smooth. Came out good. Looks circular. The back part is really flat, which I was kind of surprised at, since it printed with the pieces like this, so it's hanging down, and I was kind of surprised at how flat and smooth this came out to be. Anyway, this is my next print, and on it I just had a print fail where I had some stuff that stuck to the bottom of the vat tray, and this is the piece that was stuck to it. It came out. I don't know if I need to change my support settings or what to do with it, but I figured I'd clean out my tray and try to do it again. So we are on layer 7, layer 8 now for this next one, and I'm going to try to pause it so I can see if it'll let me raise it up, so I can see if it's still attached to the build plate. And if it is attached to the build plate, I can resume it. But I'm trying to find out how to do this. So the piece, it was making noise, but now it sounds like it stopped. I'm thinking that might be the button to bring it up. So I'm trying to hit it, and it looks like it's not letting me. And it is not letting me do that. And I guess that would make it resume. But I was thinking I could bring the build plate up. It won't let me go back to one of the previous screens. And I can't do anything with the model here. That's cancel, and I don't know if I want to cancel it, because that would tell me if it was working. However, it's a waste of time then. So what the heck, let's cancel it, and we will see how it does. See if I was right to cancel it or not. Yeah, I'm trying to cancel it, but it doesn't want to let me cancel it either. It won't let me pause it and check it, because I thought it would let me take it back to a previous screen where I could raise the piece on it so I could look at it, but it doesn't look like it wants to let me do it. And each time I hit cancel, oh, okay, I need to hit the check button to cancel. I was thinking I needed to keep hitting the X button to cancel. Okay, so I have to hit the check button. Hello, check button, check button. Okay, please wait, canceling. Alright, so we'll see if it's working on the build plate. And here it is lifting up, and I can see nothing on the build plate on the underside of it. So I'm going to try to raise it up. So go to settings and raise it up. And there it is, raising up. Not doing too good. Raise up, raise up, raise up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Okay, it doesn't want to go too high. All right, so let me see what this does. All right, I can't see anything, so I'm gonna take it off. And turn it there. Okay, we got the circle from the base, so that's showing up as the circle from the base. However, the other piece is not showing up. So canceling it was a good choice. I don't know if you can see that on there. I'm dripping all over the place. So basically the base is the only thing that's been printing right. So the other piece is down on the bottom. So, all right, that's it. You ready? Yep. All right, so it looks like we're going to try to re-level it because I'm thinking that possibly the reason we're having the fails on the print is because it's not leveled. I'm thinking that it printed the base on this side really good, which was the side that was tight when I leveled it yesterday. And this side was a little bit looser, so if this was higher, that maybe it's not adhering to the base plate because of the piece being unlevel. So if that is a good guess, then hopefully it'll work. And if it's a bad guess, then I'm back to starting it again. So I am loosening everything up. And there we go. All right, so we got it all jiggly. And get my leveling paper on here. And we're gonna turn it on. And let's see what we can do here. Turn on. Go to settings. Go to, I don't know what we're looking at. Is it the up and down thing? And then I guess we got the level thing. So I think the level thing is what we're looking. Make sure there is no model below the build and that, or in the resin tank. And we don't want the resin tank, so we're good. And here it goes, it is going down. So it will level. Down, 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 down. Now, I was reading the instructions and it said to hold the plate evenly. So hopefully that will allow it to be done evenly. And I'm doing opposite sides because, like I said yesterday, when I tightened up one side, it seemed like that side was lower. And I'm not pushing on it, just kind of letting it sit there. It's got a little bit of pressure, not much. And those are all pretty tight. And should be able to slide this out, hopefully. And again, it is tight on this side, but this side is not. See, if I go over here, this side is like super loose. So let me try undoing this. And see if I can push down this side a little bit. And the other thing that they said was, I saw some people where they were sanding their base plate. I don't know if that's actually a good idea or not. And so, I don't know. I can't even feel that moving at all. So if it is, I can't feel it. And this one I'm pressing down just a little bit harder because I want to see if I can get that side down. So it is tight over here, and over here it feels tighter. It's not, look at that, see that move? And this side doesn't want to move at all. So I don't know what the hell that is, if that's a good thing or not. Okay. So what do you think? Alright, so we're trying again. We re-leveled this, and this time we put it down harder on the left side, so hopefully that'll work. We're just going to print a few layers and see if it sticks to the plate. That's what we're looking at. And right here on our file, we're looking at it and we're wondering why it has a line through it. So not sure if that's if that means something, like we screwed up or something. Or is that, actually I think those are just dashes in the name of the thing.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, I think those are dashes. I don't think it's actually something from the longer site crossing it out. Because now that I'm looking at it, it's dashes.
Okay.
Alright, so anyway, maybe that's nothing. So we don't have to worry about it. Hopefully the level will fix it, and if not, I'm going to have to go to Chitubox and get it fixed. Thanks. We're on layer 11 on this one, so now we're going to stop the print and see if our fix worked. So what we're trying to do is see if the base is on the print, what's that thing called? Print plate, there we go, that thing. So if it's on the print plate, we are in good shape. And this thing is going up, up, up. It is canceled and it's going up, and I can't tell on it. So we need to remove the top. And remove the plate. And pull this out and hopefully not drop a bunch of resin all over the place. And we can see on the print plate that there is nothing. There's a circle, and then the other thing did not print at all. So leveling the print plate did not work. It must be something I did in Chitubox. So we'll see how it goes and try to fix it. We're trying again, and this one shows a 4-hour, 44-minute print time. And it is, we took the same model, changed the dimensions, changed the way it was set up in Chitubox, and so now hopefully it will work properly. I will let you know in 4 hours and 44 minutes. It started making crunching sounds, and like every time it went down it would crunch, and then I don't know, it sounded like it was trying to separate from the bottom, so maybe it's too tight on the printing plate thing. So anyway, I'm going to try pulling it out, loosening it up, and see how that works. So it looks like it started working good, but I didn't like that it was pulling up on the, it sounded like it was pulling up on the plastic of the bottom of the tray. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So stop the printing, and this one was a print failure as well. So I'm gonna try putting that slick stuff on the bottom of the tray, because it sounded like it was sticking and pulling, so maybe that's what's wrong. Try it again.